Hi guys, welcome to the S Wave. Well guys, New Year's is around the corner and I thought why not to bring to you guys a video on party look. Yes, right now I'm in Mumbai and this is an official trip, so I did not bring anything party like, but I'm gonna be spending my 1st of Jan, 31st, that is New Year's Eve here in Mumbai. So I thought why not to get something party apt. So yesterday I went to Colaba Fashion Street and grabbed few things. So yeah guys, I bought something which is like very fashionable yet in very affordable prices. So guys, this video is going to be about creating New Year's Eve party look in budget. First thing, you need to invest in an outfit which need not be expensive, or if not in an entire outfit, then in particular element of the outfit. And yes, right now I'm in Mumbai, that's why I went to Colaba Street. Otherwise, you can also go into websites like Shein, Myntra, where you will get affordable good clothes. But you just need to know that what thing you want and what is party apt. Second, you gotta have a red lipstick. Yes, right now I'm not carrying any makeup or anything. I just have my CC cream, but I do carry my lipstick, the red lipstick, everywhere because you never know. Yeah, so a red lipstick does all the magic. If you have no idea what to do, what to wear, how to create a look, just wear some red lipstick and you are good to go. The glamour game just rises up to another level. Third, statement jewelry. Yes, sometimes you may wear something very average, something very old in an outfit. You need not buy a new one, but with the average outfit, if you go with a statement jewelry, let it be a neck piece or a pair of earrings, it will just do all the magic that is needed for that party look. Fourth, accessories. Sometimes you can just keep in your collection a particular clutch or purse which looks fancy, or a pair of sandals or heels like which has that party vibe, and that's enough. You need not every time go ahead and buy a lot of things. You just need two of these 4 elements to create the party look in budget. Well, now I will stop blabbering and show you the 2 looks that I have created from Colaba Fashion Street.
In this look, I am wearing a fancy pair of pants bought from Colaba Fashion Street and pairing it with an old top. Also, to finish the look, I am wearing a pair of statement earrings which are also from Colaba Street, and yes, of course, the red lips. In this look, I am wearing a chiffon top which is an old piece that I already had. But to bring in the party vibe, I bought this little black skirt which has an awesome shine from Colaba Fashion Street, and it is just for Rs 250. Well, to complete the look, I am wearing a statement neck piece which is also very beautiful, and I bought it for Rs 150 from Fashion Street. And yes, of course, the red lipstick. So girls, just in Rs 400 I got a very glamorous party perfect look. Also, you can invest in a fancy purse or a pair of stylish heels that has colors which goes almost with everything, so that you always can keep the style game up.
So girls, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and the looks I created. So please make sure you create some fashionable glamorous looks in budget, and yes, keep the style game on. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please hit the red button down there. Until the next time, this is Sampriti signing off. Bye bye.